How to reset Ezgo golf cart. The Golf Xpert. Your Ezgo golf cart sometimes needs a reset to clear error codes or glitches. This can happen after a power surge, battery issues, or if your cart simply won't respond as expected. Resetting it is a simple fix that can get you back on the course fast without a costly mechanic visit. Start by turning off your Ezgo golf cart completely. Remove the key from the ignition to cut power fully. This prevents any electrical flow and prepares the system to reset properly. Patience here is key, so give it at least 30 seconds before moving on. Next, carefully disconnect the battery cables from your Ezgo cart. This interrupts all electrical power and clears any residual charge that might be causing issues. Leave the cables disconnected for about 1 to 2 minutes to ensure a full reset of the control system. After waiting, reconnect the battery cables securely, making sure connections are tight and clean. Then, insert the key back into the ignition and turn it on. Your Ezgo golf cart should now be reset and ready to operate smoothly, free of previous errors. To avoid frequent resets, regularly inspect your cart's wiring and battery terminals. Loose connections or corrosion can cause malfunctions that mimic system errors. Keeping these parts clean and secure helps maintain reliable performance and reduces the need for resets. Subscribe for daily answers to questions you didn't know you had.